Hello and welcome to our online banking video called Payments to Your Bank Account. On our website, click the Members Area Login button on the top right hand side and then enter your membership number and your date of birth. If you don't know your membership number, give us a ring on 01902 572 340 and we'll help you out. Then click Continue to go to the next screen. Enter the 3 digits from your PIN and click Login. If you don't know your PIN, click the Lost Your PIN link on the right hand side and we'll send you a new one. On the next screen you'll see the online banking box. Click Login now and enter 3 digits from your PIN again to confirm that you want to go to the online banking page. On the next screen you'll see your balances for any savings and loans that you may have. Today we're going to do a payment to a bank account, so click the Payments to Bank Account tab on the left hand side. Select the account that you want the money to go from, in this case regular shares. Then you can add a message to appear on your statement. And then select the account that you want the money to go to. Here we can see the last 4 digits of the bank account number. You can add another message on here and then enter the amount that you want to pay. Click Next. And then check your bank details on the next screen. If they're all right, click the green Confirm button. The next screen will tell you that the transfer has been successful, but please note we transfer 3 times per day at 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 3:30. Payments made after 3:30 are processed on the next working day, but please bear in mind we're not open at weekends or bank holidays. And that's how you send payments to your bank account. Click the grey Logout button to leave the online banking section and click the red Logout button to leave the members area. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.